We tend to map out our financial futures as straight lines. We invest, time passes, and expect our wealth to grow in a predictable arc. But the market's reality is nonlinear. It builds slowly, only to crumble without warning. This core dynamic is why bull markets take the stairs, but bear markets take the window. The gains are gradual and methodical, but the declines are fast, emotional, and violent. In the middle of this volatility sits Wall Street. Instead of navigating these swings with a steady hand, institutional trading desks often behave like a child addicted to candy, chasing whatever feels good right now, from short-term momentum to the latest hype. Everyday investors often get swept into this chaos. They abandon logical strategy to gamble alongside the hype, letting their emotions dictate their actions as the prices on the board disconnect from reality. Surviving this environment requires a realization. When growth is this slow and losses are this sudden, relying on prediction is a strategy destined for failure. You cannot call precise movements in a system driven by mania. The central fallacy of retail investing is the belief that you can successfully predict exact market tops and bottoms. Even professionals, despite their data and algorithms, rarely get these calls right consistently. Building wealth is one skill. The discipline of keeping it is an entirely different matter. Look at the gains from recent years and ask yourself if you have actually done the work to protect what you've already won. Attempting to time the market comes with a heavy emotional cost. You find yourself reacting, chasing, and panicking, watching as asset prices move further and further away from any logical foundation. Because exact prediction is an illusion, you have to abandon the idea of market timing entirely. You stop guessing and begin constructing a new system built on methodical preparation. At Suburban DIY, we use a framework called DIY economics. This is a shift in mindset. You stop asking what is hot today and start asking at what exact price an asset actually makes mathematical sense. The first step in this blueprint is defining value. This means establishing a personal rule to never pay a price driven by the current market narrative. This is how a disciplined investor calculates an entry point. You ignore the peak and wait for a clear discount, establishing a target that is 20, 30, or even 40% lower than the current hype price. This rule requires you to replace emotion and blind trust in experts with raw data and self-education. You build your own framework rather than outsourcing your thinking to the crowd. Committing to this rule transforms your role. You are no longer a reactive gambler. You are a proactive architect of your own value. Step 2 is building your watch list by gathering high-quality materials. You look for strong businesses with transparent fundamentals, assets that represent tangible ownership. Focus on companies with balance sheets built to withstand a violent market contraction, looking past the ticker symbols currently trending on social media. Step 3 involves aligning with the macro flow of money. You observe the rotation between high-growth equities and conservative safety assets to see where the market is actually moving. You secure existing gains by rotating capital into cash or treasury bills ahead of market turbulence. This alignment turns the act of waiting into a deliberate strategic position. Tracking where the money is flowing ensures your capital stays aligned with the actual direction of the market. You aren't guessing the future, you are positioning for it. This positioning framework relies on 3 distinct operational requirements: position, patience, and a defined plan. Position is auditing where your capital sits, maintaining a structural balance between cash reserves and risk exposure. Patience is the endurance to hold that position while the market fluctuates. Finally, a plan provides predetermined instructions. When opportunity appears, you follow the script. Having these 3 elements in place eliminates the need to hesitate. When volatility strikes, you don't need to think, you just execute. When the market inevitably drops violently, the prepared investor experiences no panic. While others are swept away by the current, you remain completely still. Because your strategy was verified in advance, your only task in a crisis is emotionless execution. The work was already done when the sun was shining. Long-term winning isn't about being the smartest person in the room. It's about being the most disciplined. It's about avoiding the emotional errors that define the traditional financial establishment. This is the Suburban DIY mindset applied to your finances. You take absolute control, think independently, and build an economic framework that you own completely. True financial independence is achieved by stepping out of the casino, abandoning the illusion of timing, and becoming a master of positioning.